Can you make money on YouTube? Absolutely yes. But the problem is, you don't have the slightest idea about how to do it. You're in luck because you clicked this video. I'm Kaz, and I have been doing YouTube for more than several years, and I know what exactly you should do to make money with YouTube. These channels are making thousands of dollars a month. In this video, I'm going to show you what tricks they are using and show you how they make videos. Basically, I will show you how to start your own channel like these and make money. This is going to be a simple, fun, and cool video to watch. YouTube is not just a platform, it's a gold mine, and you are still not late. Let me show you something that will blow your mind. This channel has almost 1 million subscribers with just 45 videos, and their estimated monthly income is more than $5,000. This is another channel that has gained 500,000 subscribers with just 33 videos. This is their third channel, which has gained 129,000 subscribers with 13 videos. All of these 3 channels are owned by the same person. Their niche is the history of the universe, Earth, and humans. If you think more creatively, you can create new channels like the history of science, the history of wars, the history of animals, and more. There are endless possibilities in this niche. Let's start with video ideas. Today, I'm going to use DeepSeek AI for that. Let's just find out several channel ideas in this niche. I'm going to use this unique prompt for that. This is a really simple prompt, no big deal. Now, as you can see here, our new channel ideas have been generated. You have 20 new channel ideas for this niche. It's up to you to select the one you like the most. Make sure to select a topic that you are really passionate about. If not, you will lose the interest when creating video. I personally like to learn about the history of oceans. Therefore, I'm going to select this History of Oceans category. Now, we need to find out several video ideas for this niche. We can do that easily with DeepSeek. I created this prompt for that. You can just copy this prompt and replace this part with your channel idea. As I said earlier, this process is really simple and fun. It looks like we have some cool video ideas for this new channel. Not only just video ideas, we have the points that we should talk about in that video. This is really cool and simple to use. The next step is to select one of these topics and create a script for it using DeepSeek AI. Honestly, all of these topics are really good to start. Therefore, I'm going to start this process with this first topic, which is how the oceans were born. The script is one of the main important parts of a successful YouTube video. Watch time of the video mainly depends on the quality of the script. If the script gets boring after the first minute, your viewers will probably click another video, which will result in a bad retention rate. That's why you need a script with a good hook, and throughout the whole script, it should make some curiosity in the viewers, and it will urge the viewer to watch the video till the end. To create a script for this specific topic, I have created this unique prompt that you can use. Just replace this topic with your video's topic, and you can generate a unique and engaging script within just seconds. Okay, cool. The script for this video has been generated. Honestly, I'm really impressed with the results. This script starts with a great hook that can grab the viewer's attention, and this script has carefully maintained curiosity throughout the video. So, I'm gonna use this script without changing anything. If you are watching this channel for the first time, I post videos about how you can make money with YouTube and how to use AI tools to generate passive income. If this is something that you are interested in, I kindly ask you to subscribe my channel and like this video. It will help me a lot. Now, let's move on to make voiceovers for this video. I'm going to use 11 Labs for this process because it has a variety of realistic AI voices. Voice is also one of the main important parts of the video creation. It should be something that viewers would like to listen to for several minutes, so don't use annoying and cringe AI voices. If you go to the voices and select this library option, you can filter all the voices according to your genre. Choose a voice from social media or the entertainment category. Those voices are the best for YouTube videos. I'm gonna go with this voice called Vincent Sparks. Then, all you need to do is copy and paste the script to this dashboard and generate voiceovers for the whole script. I would recommend you to do it part by part because sometimes these tools make errors. Now, it's time to create visuals for these videos. If you take a look at this, they have created these videos using stock images, and sometimes they are using AI-generated images with some animations as well. So, if you think that you can't monetize these videos, don't worry. These videos and all of these channels can be monetized without any problem. Now, let's find some stock videos first. The best and free website for that is Pexels. What you need to do is read the script carefully, and you need to find videos to match scenes in the script. Since this video is about oceans, let's download several videos related to oceans and Earth. After you download all the necessary stock videos, let's generate some AI images. When I was reading the video scripts, I found some scenes and I could not find suitable stock videos to represent those. As an example where it says, imagine a time when Earth was a fiery molten ball of rock with no water in sight. We need to generate AI videos and images to represent parts like this. I'm going to use Leonardo AI to do that. Creating an AI image for these scenes is a bit confusing, because if we can't give a good and detailed prompt, we can't get good results. Therefore, you need to follow this correctly. I'm going to use DeepSeek AI to generate some prompts. What you need to do is type a prompt like this. Create a realistic image generating prompt representing this scene, and then copy the scene which you want to generate images for. By doing this, you can create a detailed and advanced prompt for each image, then you can copy this prompt and go back to Leonardo AI. Select this image creation feature. Now, you need to select a preset from these. I would recommend using either Cinematic Kino or Phoenix 1.0 preset. Then, you need to select this correct aspect ratio, and I'm going to make 2 image variations, and let's generate these images. These are good. Now, I'm going to try another preset just to see which images are good. I'm going to use the same prompt, I'm only changing the preset. I think these are better than the previous images. Now, I'm going to convert these to videos. Go back to the main menu and select this motion feature, then select this image selection option, and you need to go to this Your Generations tab. Here you will be able to see the images you just generated. Select the one you want to convert to a video, and I'm going to increase the motion strength, and let's generate this video. It will take several seconds to convert this image to a video. As you can see here, this video looks perfect. Just like this. You can generate several AI videos for your video. Now, let's put together all these footages and make the final edit using CapCut. For this process, you can use any video editor you have. Let's open CapCut and start the editing process. First, you need to select this Modify button and select the correct dimension, which is a 16:9 ratio. Then, make sure to import all the stock videos, AI videos, and voiceovers to the timeline. First, let's start the process by adding voiceovers to the timeline. Sometimes there are these unnecessary long pauses in the voiceovers. You need to remove those to maintain sound quality. After you are done with that part, add all videos to match the voiceover. This process is not that complicated, so I believe you can do this correctly without any issues. I'm not going to add any transitions to these clips because I want this video to be as simple as possible. The only thing I'm going to add is subtitles. Go to Text and select this Auto Caption option to generate subtitles to this video. Now, remember to edit this subtitle in a simple style. Select a minimalistic simple font style and don't make it bigger. And make sure to add a simple text effect like this. After that, go to Animations and select this caption option. Then you need to add simple text animation, like this. And my friends, I forgot to mention, you also need to find a good background music for this video. I would recommend you to use YouTube Audio Library because it's free to use. Use dramatic or cinematic music and add it to the timeline like this, and you need to edit its volume to match the voiceovers. And with that, the editing process is completed.
Imagine a time when Earth was a fiery, molten ball of rock with no water in sight. No vast blue oceans, no crashing waves, not even a single drop of rain. So how did our planet go from a scorching wasteland to the water world we know today? The story of how Earth's oceans were born is a tale of cosmic collisions, volcanic fury, and a little help from space itself. Let's dive into the incredible journey of Earth's first waters.
So, just like this, you can start a new channel today itself. If you do this process exactly like I showed you and upload at least 3 videos a week, it will only take around 3 months to become a successful content creator. So, good luck.